Hello and welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we'll go over how to request a book from the library catalog and put it on hold. Let's get started. First, go to the online catalog found here on the library's website. Once there, locate the sign-in link at the top right of the screen. Use your EU username and password to log in, the same as MyEastern and Brightspace. When you have successfully logged in, the person icon will be colored green. Now let's search for something in the catalog to put on hold. Type in the title or the keyword of the book you are looking for, then click search. Locate the book you want from the results list and then click the orange Place Hold button. If you aren't already logged into your account, you will be prompted to sign in here. Choose Circulation Desk as the pickup location, then click Place Hold. Your hold will be created. Once it arrives, you will be sent an email saying it is ready for pickup. Alternatively, you can request that a book be delivered to you. Contact the library for further information on this service. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.